I used AI to start a side business while working full-time. Starting a side business while working full-time is not a time problem. It is a focus problem. There are always enough hours. In the early morning before the day job begins, in the lunch break, in the evening after the children are asleep or after the day has wound down. Most people who have tried and failed to build something on the side did not fail because there were not enough hours. They failed because the available hours were scattered, unfocused, and consumed by the decisions and planning that should have been done before sitting down to work. AI does not give you more time. It makes the time you already have dramatically more productive by eliminating the overhead that consumes most of it. I started a side business while working full-time. It took 8 months to reach the point where it generated meaningful income. Here is exactly how I structured those 8 months. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The starting point. One constraint above all others. Before anything else, one decision determined everything that followed. I committed to 2 hours per day maximum. Not 2 hours when things were quiet. 2 hours every day regardless of how the day job had gone. Never more, never less when possible. The 2-hour constraint was not a limitation. It was a forcing function. It made every decision about what to do with those 2 hours consequential. It eliminated the vague ambition of, I will work on it when I have time, because time was now precisely defined. I asked Claude to help me design a 2-hour daily structure. Not a flexible schedule, a fixed one. 30 minutes for one specific high-value task. 60 minutes for the primary business-building activity of that week. 30 minutes for the administrative and planning work that would enable the next day's session. The fixed structure meant I sat down knowing exactly what to do. The blank page problem, the decision overhead that consumes the first 20 minutes of most self-directed work sessions, was eliminated before the session began. Month 1 and 2. Validation before building. The first 2 months were spent entirely on validation. Not building, not creating, not producing anything for sale. I had seen too many people build products and services that nobody wanted. Months of effort invested in something that the market had no interest in paying for. I wanted to know there was a real audience and a real willingness to pay before investing the limited hours I had available. I asked Claude to help me design a lean validation process. For the business idea I had chosen, a service helping a specific professional audience solve a specific recurring problem, Claude helped me identify the 20 people most likely to be ideal clients, the 3 questions that would confirm or deny genuine demand, and the minimum viable offer I could describe without having built anything. I contacted 12 people over 2 weeks. 9 responded. 7 had the problem I thought they had. 4 said they would pay for a solution. 2 became my first clients before I had built anything beyond a clear description of what I would deliver. Validation first, building second. The sequence was the strategy. Month 3 and 4, building with AI. Months 3 and 4 were for building, and AI compressed what would have taken months into weeks. I asked Claude to help me design the service delivery system. Every step of the process I would follow with each client. Every template, document, and framework I would use. Every communication touchpoint from onboarding to offboarding. Claude produced first drafts of every component. I refined each one based on the real feedback I was receiving from my first 2 clients. The service improved faster than it would have without real clients. The real clients had been acquired before the service was fully built. The sequence was working. By the end of month 4, I had a complete service delivery system, 4 paying clients, and a monthly revenue figure that was modest, but real and growing. Month 5 and 6. The growth system. The challenge most side businesses face in months 5 and 6 is the feast and famine cycle. Active delivery consumes all available time. Marketing stops. Existing clients complete. New clients have not been found. Revenue drops. I asked Claude to help me design a lightweight marketing system that ran continuously during delivery. 3 activities. 1 piece of content published per week, written with Claude in 20 minutes during a lunch break. 1 personal outreach message sent per day to a potential client, written by Claude from my brief. 1 referral request at the end of every completed client engagement. None requiring more than 30 minutes per day. All running regardless of how busy delivery became. By the end of month 6, the feast and famine cycle had been replaced by a steadily growing pipeline. Month 7 and 8, the profitable side business. By month 7, the side business was generating enough monthly revenue to be genuinely meaningful alongside the full-time income. Not enough to replace it yet, but enough to feel like a real business rather than an ambitious hobby. Enough to justify the 2 hours per day invested for 7 months. Month 8 was spent building the systems that would allow growth beyond what 2 hours per day could sustain. Documentation of every delivery process, templates for every recurring task. AI had been the force multiplier throughout, compressing research, drafting, planning, and communication into fractions of the time they would have required manually. Your action plan. Starting today, define your 2-hour daily commitment. Not when you feel like it, every day. Ask Claude to help you design a validation process for your side business idea before you build anything. Then run the validation. If it confirms demand, start building. If it does not, adjust the idea before investing months in the wrong direction. The hours are there. The question is always what you do with them. What side business idea have you been considering but not yet started? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear structure for finally starting the thing you have been putting off, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.